cigar or e-cigar? What's the difference? Hi, this is John from Switzerland, and today I'd like to compare a real cigar versus a e-cigar, or precisely the e-cigar from XVX. To start with the pricing, which one is cheaper? Well, to get started with real cigar smoking, you don't only need the cigars, of course, but also a lot of equipment. So, like a little humidor at least, where you can put your cigars into, and either a cigar cutter or a cigar driller, and at least one special cigar lighter, which is usually a jet flame with 1, 2, 3 or even 4 flames. So I think we're talking about 60, 70, maybe a few more bucks here. To get started with the e-cigar from XVX, you just have to order this nice starter package, which comes like this. The cigar with 3 different flavor cartridges, 17 different flavors they have, all nicotine free, and I have the 3 flavors: apple, mint and cigar. The flavor cartridges are around $5. So when it's empty, you have to remove it, of course, and then get a new one. So that's about $5. That's pretty much the same price as this Retrace Corona. First plus for the e-cigar, it's cheaper than the real one. What about the handling? Like I said, you have to cut or to drill your real cigar before you can light it up, and also this process will take several seconds or up to a minute maybe. To get started with your e-cigar, you just have to remove this little plastic lid here on the top of the cigar and start smoking. How does it work? It's USB rechargeable, so you just have to remove here the flavor cartridge, put this in your USB charger or PC, and within 30 minutes or up to 2 hours the most, when it's really empty, it's fully recharged again, and you'll get around 900 puffs from your cartridge, so at least an hour of smoking, even more. I think it should be around 1 hour and 30 minutes, so again, pretty much like a real cigar. So maybe another plus here for the e-cigar, the handling is easier. But when we count also the weight into the handling, then we have a clear plus here for the real cigar, because this weighs about 11 grams and the e-cigar about 54 grams. So that means my real cigars I like to hold like this, and of course I can hold this also like this, but I don't feel comfortable because it's really so heavy. I'm always afraid that I may drop it, so I like to hold this more in the middle or even here closer to the end like this. That's no problem because it's not getting hot here, of course, but yeah, it's different, so you have to get used to it maybe. So then the handling easier, but it weighs more, much more. So what about the taste now? It says cigar, Yes, I can confirm this. That tastes like cigar, but not that heavy or that intensive like a real cigar, of course. I would like to compare it when you just draw at your cigar like this a few times. Then that's comparable to the taste you get from this cigar flavor cartridge. I won't try the others now, but I think they're pretty good. There are as well real flavored cigars from Leon Jimenez, for example. I know they have flavors with honey, with rum, with vanilla. So that could be comparable then as well to the E-Zigarre. So, bottom line, the E-Zigarre is cheaper, maybe easier to handle, but weighs more. The taste, of course, is not as intensive when you only have the cigar taste flavor like from the real cigar. But bottom line, I can highly recommend the E-Zigarre from XVX. Give it a try, let me know what you think about it, or leave your questions if there are any further down in the comments, and I'll come back to it, of course, as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Until we meet again. Bye, says John from Switzerland.